The man have your pan picture there from yesterday. Him have your pan.
No one.
Where?
Him have your pan.
Where?
With all the bad word them.
Who's bad one?
Yes, where you call.
Where?
Him have your pan there.
You have place you want pussy mildew, pussy mildew, pussy mildew.
Yeah? But you have pussy mildew yet?
No, I never see it yet.
Maybe you can well pussy mildew. What that sight to see a mildew pussy? Jesus Christ, I've been Lord God. How that I show that done?
Sugar added. I want to give you a figure when I look on her figure. Come like a treasure. Which one of them, brother? The snake or the leather? See that now you get the cellular phone together. Oh, you know, give me 3 bills. Strong up, one sharp plan up. Mommy, work your hand them. Mommy, work your hand them. Help the gentleman, because right now you can't find plenty man. Some man go look for woman and go empty hand. I'll do a woman have a way for empty man. Anyway, give him because come like that one there for him. Anyway, later them now for search for him. And you talk quick, you know, you make the give him some change so that him stop behave straight. I saw the thing arrange, that time I don't range. Yeah, this is 5, you know, pay attention, and too much stress and tension. All people can't collect them pension. So many things in life to mention, that are 8.
Said every yard man.
No, sir. No, sir. I'm not go down that street there. No. Why for that?
My woman tell me, say no, brother. If him not say a bad woman, they get born like fuck.
Yeah.
But you know, he not look them weird there.
Again,
your pussy class.
As a Jamaican.
Hi, thank you so much for contacting Poor and Help Facility. You're speaking with Kay. May I have your name, please? Freaking doing on there, something, yeah. Give me peace, man. Of course, I'll be more than happy to assist with this. Alright, so can you go ahead and provide me with the code that you're seeing on your phone? Girl. Give me peace, man. The man don't know that dry door. I could never from a black man out a road a bad one out from girl. Of course.
When will I see you again?
not anytime soon, Regina. Thank you.
Jamaican jerk John Crow.
Hi guys, so today I'll be jerking John Crow. Some of you will say that John Crow is a scavenger, but so are most of the shellfish that we eat and enjoy. So these are my herbs and spices, and I am going to stuff my John Crow with these herbs and spices. Here I have my purple yams as well as my rainbow carrots, and I have them all cut up. Now I'm going to pre-jerk the John Crow. Just put it on the grill. This is an Asian technique that I learned, and now I'm going to give it a little turn, flip it over, see it's nice and charry. Here are the rest of my herbs and spices, and now I'm going to add everything in this little jar to complete the cooking process. So now we're going to put it back on the grill to finish cooking and become more tenderized. That's it, guys.
I had a Jamaican man DM me the other day, and he said, and I quote, "I want you to sit down pon me cocky so I can look into your hazel eyes and see heaven." I know, I was in shock, man. I didn't know how I was supposed to respond, but I just remember reading this and being like, this is romance. You know, this is the most beautiful thing any man has ever said to me. I know a marriage proposal when I see one. The answer's yes.
Aye, 20% off for pretty girls only. And these are tax-free with warranty. Taste good expectation, if not refund on your money back. I do have singles for jingles, but I don't have a husband, so I got couples. You see me? I got cashew walnut, sesame seed, pumpkin seed, flax seed, and if you want like a sex seed. And I take debit card, credit card, phone card if you don't have any cash.
Lord Jesus.
I got cane soft and tender, honey nut sugar, bumpless. I have apple, berry, sweet like cherry. Taste with expectations. On your money back.
No, my head hurt me.
I remember I just land with fruits and nuts in my hand. And I also have a new plan with some cookie. You get me?
No, man, I use a business.
Definitely.
Because
fruits and nuts are there every kind of meat. That's what you would do it.
Alright.
You want a pretty girl, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to a Magdalene contest, you know?
Yeah.
And she meet in an accident.
Yeah.
After she meet in an accident, no, they said the only thing can save her face when she can mag her back again.
Yeah.
And I said the use piece of body and pot her face.
She's on crime.
Yeah.
Where
the doctor say evil? She going at the surgery and them use piece of body jar and pat her face and she win the contest.
Yeah.
So everybody asked her about the contest and said, oh, you managed to win.
Yeah.
What was the surgery? You have any problem? You know? The surgery was alright, I go one part off. I'm say, what's the fault? What's the fault?
What's the fault?
Sometimes my face feel like it want to sit down. Batty face. After a man I push him donkey cart, you know.
Yeah.
And you want to say, a tree come out, so whoops! And lick over the donkey cart, you know.
Lie.
Yeah. Much of everything.
So you did see it?
Yeah.
You told lie.
Serious, man. So you want the police come now.
Yeah. What the?
But before the police come, the man start about and look how my donkey can't match about everything match about me I get money.
Just
my
that?
donkey are flatter. Now flatter like my donkey and see me can get some money too.
Just that?
Yeah. So guess what?
Yeah.
Police come on the scene and say, right, the man crash, look at everything match up there, so. And the donkey are suffer.
Yeah.
You can't make him suffer. Boom! And shoot the donkey. Yeah, man. Come over the man, come over the man and tell, look at that one now.
Yeah.
Look like he must suffer too. By the time we shoot the man, I see the man jump up and say, fit up fine.
She needs to have an orgasm 20 times in one night. Who can help her? So I said, who? They said, not Theophilus, man. Theophilus have a big thing on him, can help her or whatever. So they look for Theophilus. When they find Theophilus, they tell her, Theophilus, dirty, you know, full of mud that come from ground. He's bad than the water boat, dirty, you can't ride.
But he well endowed.
Fully well gifted.
Well endowed.
So anyway,
repeat that. Well endowed.
Anyway, challenge Theophilus. Theophilus say, yeah, man. But soon come, I go beat it. She said, no, I take you as you are. So anyway, Theophilus go in her because she have a caravan thing, you know, so go in her back.
You hear me rocking, don't come knocking.
Theophilus go in her and say, 20 times, you know, she wants to have an orgasm.
Just one.
So, first one, no one. Okay, first time, Theophilus pull up the water boat and you say, what?
My boy.
So, right from the water boat, one. Work again, man, and then work again, and then two, and you say, two. Lift up the water boat and then right, two. Need to have an orgasm 20 times in one night. Who can help her? So I said, who? They said, not Theophilus, man. Theophilus have a big thing on him, can help her or whatever. So they look for Theophilus. When they find Theophilus, they tell her, Theophilus, dirty, you know, full of mud that come from ground. He's bad than the water boat, dirty, you can't ride.
But he well endowed.
Fully well gifted.
Well endowed.
So anyway,
repeat that. Well endowed.
Anyway, challenge Theophilus. Theophilus say, yeah, man. But soon come, I go beat it. She said, no, I take you as you are. So anyway, Theophilus go in her because she have a caravan thing, you know, so go in her back.
You hear me rocking, don't come knocking.
Theophilus go in her and say, 20 times, you know, she wants to have an orgasm.
Just one.
So, First one, no one.
It's a three Jamaican man there on construction site at work. The three of them, drop a ground. Boof, wake up in the hospital next morning, critical condition. You know? Doctor look on them and say, yo, all three of you have a punctured lungs. So you can't talk, that's the only way you can survive. The first one said, Doc, why me can't talk? Dead. Second one say, watch you idiot. You know you say enough to talk. Boom, dead. You understand? Can't. Third one look around for the co-workers, them and look at the doctor and say, a good thing me never say nothing. Dead. Can't. You understand? You know. So, me tell my mother say, Mummy, me and my ex left over 3 years now. It done. Why you and her still talk? Mummy I look at me and tell me, say, why me still talk to fear ex? Mummy, I care my father you talk about. Mummy, I'm my father.
Off the coast of the old Harbour Bay fishing village in St. Catherine.
An alleged eyewitness spoke with our news team.
Me dey on the land and see boat when it a go out. And when the boat a go out, me see say boat. Nah run good and me say how them a run the boat so. And when me look, me no see the boat again. All me see was sitting a float a kundo you see. And me have to start shout to the people man I say, you see that boat there turn over and the people them are dead.
He says in trying to assist, he encountered some challenges.
If we go out there, hold one eye woman, put him in a boat, cut big stew box, put him in a boat because me don't do it, you're dead. So, yes sir? Yeah, because him a go drown. If somebody go drown and you know knock him out, you can't see if him in drown you too, you know.
So, one man there one bar by himself, a drinking juice. And then vibes in see one being in a corner bar. By herself. But I say, you know, me a slide go over there, son. Reach her foot. Yeah, alright, mama, where you want for drink? It's on me. After then done drink then little juice now, the woman look on the man and say, yo, come here, left son. Yeah, son. Boss say, where you want to go? The woman say, anywhere far. Cause too much people know her area, so. So the boss a drive about 130 minutes before the woman point to one dark place and say, yo, over here so good, man. Woman start take off her clothes and say, see it here. Boss put on them boots, clot it down, quick and fast. Yeah, son. Yeah. After the woman put on her clothes now, the woman look on the man, sit down and just a stare. The man asks her what. The woman say, I should have told you this when we first met, you know. But this is my job. I'm a prostitute. So that will cost you $4,500. So the man look on her and say, I should have told you this earlier. But I'm a taxi driver. And if I drive you all the way out here, sir, and carry you back into the town, that I run about $8,500. Yes, and choppings. You have one girl I'm be born with no eyes. And she hate everybody around her except for one you when you're Ocean. Only because Ocean they love her, cherish her, and just protect her, regardless of the facts that she can't see. So one night she hug up Ocean and she say, you know, say if me ever get to see how beautiful the world is, me I go marry you. So a couple days later, she get one letter in her mail, so she come at the hospital cause somebody donate some eyes to her. After her surgery now, she couldn't control herself. She said, my God, everything just look good, so everybody just look beautiful, the world look beautiful. Ocean look on her and said, now that you can see, will you marry me? She turned for answer Ocean and realized, but you know, yeah, you're blind too. She said, boy, she not think she can marry him. Boss heart broke. Boss walk out her house and gone. Couple months later, she get an email. It says, take care of my eyes. I still love you. Ocean. Might be a girl and wicked, yeah. But, yeah.
Any Jamaicans here? I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Man, this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm gonna go find out for you. Hey, that's my time, man. I gotta say, what up?
Them place are slow with taxi, man. I'll go on, man.
Give me what Joe! See phone there, Joe. A Joe, where you met Joe? Well, under Joe, a phone me use hold up, Joe.
Yo, I'll go on, bro.
Bro, you know some there, bro.
You burn weed?
Of course.
I can't burn weed again, you know.
Why?
Me there burn some high grade weed.
Yeah.
And brother, I start to see things.
Yeah, you start see things.
As in hallucinations.
Yeah.
Me just say, alright, me just go relax, take my wife, me go Hope Zoo. Me just go look on the monkey them or pet a donkey. Alright. You know, next thing now, me take my wife, we go home.
Yeah.
All night, me I give her some hot fuck.
Yeah.
Foot in the ear, leg turn over, back bend up, everything.
Back shot, everything.
Yeah, man. But check this now.
Yeah.
Wake up in the morning, I see how the devil wicked.
Yeah.
Because when me look beside me, and my wife that in the bed, you know. But I the same monkey from the zoo. Yeah. So
you
no,
shouldn't do that now.
So now me I realize, say, hold on there. I don't have a wife.
Yeah.
Me never marry yet.
Look, everywhere you burn the weed, some of them make your head get dizzy. Which part you see things which are you know to see. Until you know say you have one part when in your life with you, you just stay focused because you're there you see and a you name person.
Shaden? Yes, Mom? Put some water on the stove there for me.
Put water on the stove?
Pitney, and then for them go put some water on the stove.
What? Okay.
Already bought.
What?
I heard you were on the scene of a robbery with a young girl. What take place?
I never up on the scene, I there saw chop fire grass, you know. Where you talk about now?
Well, the girl just tell us that you were here and you did not do anything.
About what?
About the robbery. She was shouting, oh Jesus help me, Jesus help me, and you just stand there and watch her get robbed.
No, you know, I name Rasta. And if you ball out Jesus Christ, I look to come and see Jesus Christ, I never see him yet. So I look if Jesus Christ go come help him. I never know say if he want I help him, could answer Rasta. He not say Rasta. He does say Jesus Christ, so I look for Jesus Christ too. I wonder if Jesus Christ take it back from him or whatever, I just look. Because, you know, call my attention to nothing. Come here, I'm real saying I'm not afraid of people, you know.
Oh my God. Yes, man. Tonight a big night, man. I dead here tonight, so you know, so we there kill one goat and drink some rum. Yeah, man. Rock mouth dead here tonight. See that? See how the goat skin, yeah, man. Ready for scrape and everything. Put him on fire and make him roast, and then we scrape him. Annette, look here. Take time for the soup tonight, here, Annette. Yeah, man. Because remember the big belly go up and forward, and we can't take him style, but we are going to the coming bands at St. Mary's so tonight. Dope, you go climb bamboo back way. Yeah, man. All type of things tonight, man. Yes. Senior. Yeah, man, yellow belly senior tonight, man. Yeah, man, so remember, you know, a spiritual thing, you know. Yeah, man, rap mouth, you know, say, I come in with him, yeah, and all kind of things. So, yeah, man, tonight and night, man. So, just rolling, as me say, everything I deal with tonight, man. Goat dead, chicken dead, everything, man. So, you know, so we just go and mirror itself and we go for the big chef bag and waterhouse and pig. So, you know, see a problem in the cooking. But one thing. Why, Kim? I'm not saying you're great, goat. I'm not saying you're great, goat.
Bite of the week.
Man must stand up like man. Man must act like man. Man must behave like man. Man must take decision like man. You weak jellyback. Oh, Jesus have mercy.
Today we have the top 3 Jamaicans who got famous without even trying, not even bust a sweat.
But like the people them out of the community, out of the genre, them cannot cross it. So when I say nobody can cross it, I simply mean like
only you and a few others.
Yeah, who can manage the water? Because if you cannot manage the water, the water will take you away.
Clifton,
yes,
where the answer?
Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, every door. Everything in the house flood out. When I talk about everything. No bed, no there for sleep on. Settee, where you could have rest in a phone, where you could have make phone call and video for sure. Everything flood out. I want back every single piece
So
of
what happened with yours?
I drink hot beer with some salt. I say right just hurt me in my stomach. I never drink no tea. But I say I can move off. Yeah, brrr, and the dude come down. I mean, sit you?
Yeah.
I drink hot beer with some salt. I say right just hurt me in my stomach. I never drink no tea. But I say I can move off. Yeah, brrr, and the dude come down. I mean, take a napkin and wipe my tongue.
I'm gonna sit down and rest a little while.
Somebody in there?
What kind of people them, man? They got the banana. Let this water start for you. Let this water start for me, and this water start me, I go over then.
The man have your pan picture there plan yesterday. Him have your pan.
Where?
Him have it there.
Where?
Him have your pan.
Where?
With all the bad old them.
Which bad one?
Yes, where you called.
Where?
Him have your pan there.
You have PC one and pussy mildew.
Yeah. But you have pussy mildew yet?
No, I never see it yet.
Maybe you can well pussy mildew. What that side to see a mildew pussy? Jesus Christ, I've been Lord God. How that like show that done?